Alright, this is a Alesis Mini. It's really small. It's like 1 centimeter on the height, and it's like 4 inches on the side. And it comes with this MIDI keyboard, and it comes with a USB, so it's ready to go. It's micro USB. Let's take it out to see. Micro USB. So let's take this guy out. Lots of tape. They did a good job packing it, I guess. So look at this. So this is the QMini. It's a little bit, it's pretty nice. It's a little bit raised on every other button. Has good weight to it. Keyboard test. Silent. It feels like non-mechanical. It feels like mushy membrane. So let's get to it. So these two buttons are octaves. So it starts in middle C. Okay, this is quite difficult because it's upside down. The cable is really short. That's the only thing I don't like about it. So it's more like on the go, and it's really, really tiny. So it's like, it's not like a real piano, which is a little bit longer. It's really small. It's as small as, it's like 3 inches by 1 centimeter. So as big as a keyboard. Actually, it's half the size of a keyboard, actually, if you compare. Move it closer. Like half the size of a keyboard. Not even the size of a keyboard. And it doesn't work with this USB port on the for Razer, but it works on every other USB port. USBs. Wish it was wireless though. This could be wireless Bluetooth, but I guess it'll be like latency, so that's not gonna work out. I guess they could do that in the future. Make like a wireless Bluetooth Alesis. That'd be pretty cool. Overall, it's pretty nice. It's like the only thing is just really small. It feels really mushy. It works with FL Studios fine because I'm using FL Studios as pre-production. Yeah. You do like quick melodies and chords and like figure out what works and what doesn't work. So, do I recommend this? Yeah, it's like $50 if you want to play with it. It's pretty cool. My speakers are also Alesis, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.